The Indian government is moving forward with a massive disinvestment plan for the fiscal year 2026 to 2027. Authorities have identified major public sector enterprises like Coal India, Life Insurance Corporation, Indian Overseas Bank, and Indian Railway Finance Corporation for upcoming share sales. This ambitious initiative aims to raise a staggering 80,000 crore rupees, a target significantly higher than previous estimates. The finance minister has confirmed the government's commitment to this strategy despite past challenges in the market. However, officials are taking a cautious approach, stating that sales will only proceed when market conditions are deemed stable. This move marks a significant step in the nation's economic roadmap for 2026. Stay tuned to MumbaiNews.com as we bring you more updates on these major financial developments and their impact on the markets. Follow MumbaiNews.com for live updates. The recent by-election in Falta, West Bengal, revealed a surprising outcome as the Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP claimed victory over the Trinamool Congress (TMC). This shift in power indicates a potential change in the political landscape of the region. The election was not without controversy, as there were serious allegations of tampering with electronic voting machines or EVMs. These results suggest a significant decline in support for the TMC, a party that previously held a strong position in Falta. This development raises concerns about the future of TMC in West Bengal and could signal a broader shift in voter sentiment across the state. On May 26, 2026, the Royal Challengers Bengaluru, known as RCB, are set to face off against the Gujarat Titans, referred to as GT, in a thrilling IPL 2026 qualifier match. This high-stakes clash will unfold in Dharamshala. Both teams finished the season with an impressive total of 18 points, with RCB leading due to a superior net run rate. The match is pivotal as the winner will secure a coveted place in the finals, while the losing team will have another opportunity through qualifier 2. With both teams aiming for their second IPL title, the competition promises to be intense and exciting for fans and players alike. A successful rescue operation in Jammu and Kashmir's Gulmarg has safely evacuated all tourists trapped in the gondola due to a technical malfunction. The operation involved multiple agencies, including the army and local police, ensuring no injuries were reported. The incident caused panic among nearly 300 tourists, but emergency teams swiftly managed the situation and assured the public of their safety and the integrity of the gondola system. Authorities are now investigating the technical issues that led to this disruption, emphasizing the importance of safety in high-altitude tourism. This incident highlights the need for rigorous safety protocols in tourist destinations, especially those located in challenging environments. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing story. In a pivotal ruling, the Kerala High Court has enhanced the sentences of 12 men convicted in the brutal lynching of a tribal youth named Madhu to life imprisonment. This decision, made on May 25, 2026, comes after a horrific incident in 2018, where Madhu was killed following accusations of theft. The court also mandated a compensation of 30 lakh rupees for Madhu's mother, highlighting the necessity of justice in such heinous crimes. The case has garnered national attention due to its brutality and the significant challenges faced during the trial process. This ruling serves as a crucial reminder of the legal system's role in addressing violence and protecting the rights of vulnerable individuals. On May 26, 2026, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh commended the swift and coordinated rescue operation that saved nearly 300 tourists stranded in the Gulmarg gondola service due to a technical failure. The operation involved multiple agencies, including the Indian Army and NDRF, showcasing exceptional professionalism and courage. The technical breakdown left tourists suspended mid-air for hours, prompting an urgent multi-agency response. Thankfully, all individuals were safely evacuated without injuries, highlighting the effectiveness of the disaster response teams. At the recent Quad Foreign Ministers meeting in New Delhi, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar emphasized the pivotal role of the Indo-Pacific region in fostering global growth and stability. He underscored the shared responsibility of the four maritime democracies, India, Japan, Australia, and the United States, in maintaining a free and open Indo-Pacific. Key areas of focus highlighted by Jaishankar included enhancing supply chain resilience and strengthening maritime security. By advocating for stronger partnerships, he aims to address emerging challenges and enhance strategic confidence within the region, ensuring that the Indo-Pacific continues to be a cornerstone of global stability and cooperation. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has expressed his condolences and assured necessary assistance to the families of victims from two separate road accidents in Unnao and Barabanki. These tragic incidents resulted in 10 fatalities and numerous injuries. The CM has directed officials to provide immediate aid, including medical treatment and compensation for the deceased's families. The first incident involved a bus overturning, while the second involved a car crash with a trailer. Both accidents highlight the urgent need for improved road safety measures in the state. Authorities are now focusing on implementing strategies to prevent such incidents in the future and ensure the safety of all road users. The 2026 Norway Chess Tournament began with excitement as Indian Grandmasters R. Pragnanandha and D. Gukesh celebrated Armageddon victories. Pragnanandha displayed exceptional skills by defeating Wesley So, while Gukesh triumphed over Vincent Kaymer following a challenging classical game. Notably, Alireza Firuzja's stunning win against Magnus Carlsen was a significant upset that captivated chess fans. The women's section also saw Divya Deshmukh claiming victory in her Armageddon match against reigning champion Ju Wenjun. This tournament is set to showcase the best of chess talent and promises thrilling matches ahead. Fans can expect more dramatic moments as the competition unfolds, making it a must-watch event for chess enthusiasts.